Hello everyone, today I am going to share home remedies about dark circles. Today I will share two home remedies that you can cure dark circles. If you do it daily, then you can see very good results also also get very amazing natural fair color on your face, as the dark circles are the most of the common problem that are facing in today's life. So first of all, I would like to tell reason behind dark circles. So reason behind dark circle is that people who are using their electronic gadgets in dark, like they are using mobile phones or laptops or watching any movie or whatever they are doing in dark room. For a very long period, for example 2 hours, 3 hours, or more than that, then it causes stress to the eyes, which are the main reason of the dark circles. And also, if you are not taking a proper diet, and it is also the reason of the dark circles. So you should there should be proper lighting around you where you are sitting. So it can be it can helps you to prevent of having dark circles. So now I will start my video. So my first home remedy for curing dark circles is with the help of milk. You have to take cold milk. It does not matter that it is raw or boiled. You can take any milk, but it should be cold, not warm. So you have to take cotton ball and dip this cotton ball in the cold milk. So dip it for few seconds so that milk should be proper soaked by cotton ball. Then you have to keep this on your eyes for at least 10 minutes. You can do it anytime. So now put this cotton ball on your eyes for at least 10 minutes, and after that you have to wash your eyes with warm water. Then it will definitely helps to cure your dark circles, as it is a great source of vitamin A. So it will nourish your skin under your eyes, and it will also decrease your puffiness, and also it will reduce your darkness of your eyes. It will helps to make your eyes portion under the eyes more fair, more glowy. So this is one of the most effective that you can use for your dark circles. So second one is potato. As potato is also available in every home, it is very common ingredient that is used in every kitchen. So you have to take one potato. Then you have to grate that potato. Here I have already grated one potato. Then you have to squeeze it and to take out all the water of this potato, like this. Here you can see that all the juice or whatever water of this potato is out. Then you have to take a cotton ball and just dip in it for a few seconds so that it soak all the water of potato. Then you have to do as same as you do with milk. You have to keep on your eyes for 10 minutes. Then wash your eyes with warm water, and you can use any moisturizer after that. It will help you to nourish your skin, and it is the main source of vitamin C. It will provide your skin vitamin C, which will help you to get rid of dark circles. It will not work in one day, but if you perform it daily at regular intervals, then you will definitely see the result, and it has zero side effect other than using costly cosmetics, chemical products. They have side effects, but the home remedies that I tell you has zero side effects. So it will show not very effective result in one day, but it will definitely give you a perfect, very good result in after some time, if you perform it daily without skipping it. And if you really want to get rid of dark circles, then please do these two simple home remedies. It will definitely help you. So thank you so much. If you like my video, please tell me in the comment section, and stay connected for more videos. Thank you.